Now we have specification number 4, which asks us to describe artificial selection, also called selective breeding, with reference to the selection of animals or plants with desirable features, breeding them to produce the next generation, selecting offspring with desired traits, and repeating this over many generations. Artificial selection, also known as selective breeding, is the process in which humans deliberately choose organisms with desirable characteristics and breed them together over many generations to produce offspring with the same useful traits. This process is similar to natural selection, but instead of the environment acting as the selecting force, humans make the selection based on traits they want. It involves several steps. First, humans select individuals that show desirable characteristics, such as high crop yield, disease resistance, or specific physical features. Next, these selected individuals are bred together to produce offspring. From the offspring, only those that show the desired traits are chosen for further breeding. This process is then repeated over many generations. Over time, this leads to the development of populations where the desired characteristics become more common or even fixed. In some cases, this can produce pure breeding organisms where most or all offspring show the selected traits. As shown in the diagram, artificial selection, also called selective breeding, is used by humans to produce plants and animals with desirable traits. In plants such as maize, the original population shows a wide range of variation, including wild forms like teosinte with very small cobs. Humans first identify plants that show desirable characteristics, such as larger cobs. These selected plants are then crossed to produce the next generation. From the offspring, known as the F1 generation, individuals showing the best traits are selected. These selected offspring are then bred again. This process is repeated over many generations, where only the best individuals are chosen each time. Over time, this repeated selection leads to modern selectively bred maize with very large cobs and a much higher yield compared to the original wild plants. A similar process is used in animals such as cattle. In the original population, there is variation in milk production. Humans select the cows that produce the highest milk yield and breed them together. Their offspring are then examined, and only those with the best milk-producing traits are selected for further breeding. This process is repeated over many generations, leading to modern dairy cattle that produce much higher amounts of milk than the original wild ancestors. In both plants and animals, artificial selection works by continuously selecting and breeding individuals with desirable traits, causing those traits to become more common over time and producing improved varieties.